producers of luxury sedans, sporty SUV and sports cars, completed more than a century in automobile industry. Their cars are driven by royalties, celebrities and successful people all over the world. Started as sidecar company in 1922, later became the important part of luxury automobile industry. Today, we are focused on well known for its quality and performance, a super blend of beauty and beast, Jaguar cars. Jaguar is among the world's most storied automobile. Its legacy built on blending style with performance and pairing with outstanding engineering. Jaguar has survived existential challenges from ownership transfer to complete with product overhauls, all the while producing luxury sedans, coupes and roadsters with sporting edges. Jaguar product range grew significantly in 1990s after Ford Motor Company added Jaguar to its premier auto group portfolio. It grew again after Ford Motors sold Jaguar and SUV-focused Land Rover to its current owner. In 2008, Tata Motors owned Jaguar and Land Rover, which merged the two brands and created Jaguar Land Rover. Gained its aluminium constructed plus a modern design language, set Jaguar on a new course. The first ever car to bear the Big Cat moniker was the 1935 SS Jaguar 2.5-litre Salon. It was produced under the name of Swallow Side Car Company. Their most famous 2007 production car, Jaguar XF, also known as X250, replaced by S-Type, was a success decision. After that, Jaguar got a new level. The rear-wheel drive executive car was available in 4 doors. This British car was added as premium luxury with supercharged for UK market. The Executive Edition SA business models with lower turn version 3-litre and 2.2-litre diesel engine were available. Interior included air conditioning vents, which are flush filling in the dash, rotating open when engine is started, and a rotating gear shift dial marketed as Jaguar Drive Selector, which is automatically elevates from center console, another mind-blowing feature from traditional Jaguar. Cabin ambience is the use of pale blue backlighting to the instrument switch gear around major control panel. The XF has no cloth interior option with all trim level featuring leathers. Wood veneers are available along with aluminium carbon fiber and piano black lacquer trims. The engine bay consists of big fat engine, gets the option for 4, 6 and 8 cylinders, which competes with BMW M5, AMG E63. Beautiful chrome treatment at the front with a Jaguar logo in the middle. Headlamps with adaptive LED lights with J-Blade daytime running lights. Side profile is almost 5 meters long from side and back. It will remind of old XF. The tail lamps are similar to F-Type with dual exhaust. This luxury vehicle is filled with luxury treatment all over. Inside everything is deep in luxury, comfort and silence. Jaguar XF is a Euro NCAP 5-star rated car with lots of airbag inside. In 2012, they introduced the station wagon X260, which was a kind of station wagon SUV with the same specification but the change in body type. A long wheelbase version debuted in 2016 at the Beijing Motor Show. Equipment includes folding tables, massaging seats, electric window blinds and 8-inch screen integrated in the back of front seat headrest. It is the first aluminium bodied car built in China with debut of some new features with clean emit detection warning. Passenger can have a warning when door is open from behind. The Jaguar XF series of full-size luxury cars produced in 2013 from 1968 to 2019. It was produced across basic platform generation. Debuted in 1968, 1986, 1994, 2003 and 2009 with various updated derivatives of each. The original model was latest Jaguar Saloon to have had the input of William Lyons, the founder of company. Model has been featured in countless media and high-profile appearances. The first generation of XJ was produced total period of 24 years with 2 major facelifts in 1973 and 1979. In 2003, Jaguar introduced the re-engineered and newly designed XJ. With V8 engine was offered 3.5 and 4.2 liters displacement as well as supercharged variation. In July 2019, the redesigned XJ was unveiled. The XJ had all-new exterior design and break from XJ series. It is a longer and wide car with some bold and aggressive appearance. The upright swooping tail lamps, nicknamed cat clones, and back roof panels at each side of rear screen. The new XJ features an innovative all-LCD dashboard and console display. The console display presents different view to driver and passengers. Including control of a sophisticated video and audio system, there is also full-length sunroof center console. The modes of instrumental cluster, luxury and premium feel is constant. Everything inside is decent and luxury ambience. The 2020 Jaguar XJ is a battery electric luxury is yet to reveal. It is seen in production body by far. It will have the constant luxury feel with new innovative technology for sure. Write us in the comment section what's your view on electric future Jaguar cars. The 2015 Jaguar F-Pace, the luxury SUV, consists of performance and contemporary luxury, clever practicality, having the DNA of Jaguar's F-Type sports car. The redefined and punchy engine is mind-blowing. The front and rear suspension provides high standard of handling and ride quality. Electronic power-assisted steering wheel for sporting character. For better cornering, the dynamic mode adds sharp and instant response on gear shift. Eco mode for fuel efficiency. Engine balance economy and power with 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. All-wheel drive offers control over low traction surface. The design for F-Pace is inspired by F-Type. It looks powerful, agile and muscular. The road presence made it different from others. The headlamps and tail lamps. The luxury and spacious interior features premium material and high quality. The panoramic sunroof adds the sense of space. Everything is stylish inside. The interior mood lighting adjusts according to our mood. The E-Pace SUV is compact in terms of F-Pace with some more elegant looks. It competes with BMW X1, Audi Q3 and other more cars. The another car was initially launched as 2-door soft-top convertible with 2-door fastback coupe version launched in 2013, the F-Type. The F-Type Jaguar design is most athletic form, lean and elegant from any angle. All the power and ability to launch, state-of-art driving system, the 5-liter V8 engine supercharged all-wheel drive, the maximum speed of 300 km per hour, 0 to 100 in 3.7 seconds. Jaguar has showcased in James Bond movies. Jaguar has quite the history with James Bond, although never driven by Mr. Bond. Jaguar seems to have a bit of villainous history with Bond. Showcased in James Bond Skyfall features many Jaguars and Land Rovers. Queen Elizabeth II. The royal family has been long-standing supporter of Jaguar brand. The Queen regularly can be seen behind the wheels of British Racing Green S-Type or Range Rover. Jaguar well and truly receive a royal approval. Interested to know how this brand got its name as Jaguar and what their logo means? Do watch our another video 10 logos with hidden meaning and exceptional history. For more post notification shoutouts, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and comment below done. Thank you for watching this video. Do follow us on Instagram, Wagon & World for more further updates.